Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the live quiz. Enter the code to join this quiz. Today's topic is 10th Biology, 3rd chapter Transportation, Quiz 2. If the players are 15, then we'll start. So be patient. Okay, it's 17. Let's start the quiz. So here the first question. On which side of the human heart is low in oxygen? Right atrium, left ventricle. Time up. So the correct answer is right atrium. Let's go to the second question. Which structure of the heart control the flow of the blood? So the options are arteries, veins, valves. Time's up. So the correct answer is valves. Let's move on to the third. So the question is pulse rate of newborn babies is 100 to 150, 60 to 100, 70 to 130. Time's up. So the correct answer is 100 to 150. Let's move on to the next. Now the fourth. The blood vessels that supply blood to the walls of the heart are pulmonary vessels, pulmonary artery, coronary vessels. Time's up. So the correct answer is coronary vessels. Let's move on to the next. So the question is aorta, which supplies oxygenated blood to the body parts, arise from arterium, left ventricle, third option right atrium. Time's up. So the correct answer is left ventricle. Now sixth. Pulmonary. Fifth. Fifth question is pulmonary artery which supplies deoxygenated blood to the lungs arise. Left atrium, left ventricle, right ventricle. Time's up. So the correct answer is left ventricle. It's not right. Next question. So the next question is what part of your wrist is pressed by a doctor to examine the pulse rate? The options are artery, vein, capillary. 3, 2, 1. Time's up. So the correct answer is artery. So the next question is the size of the organ in our the size of this organ is of our fist. First option kidney, second option heart, third option liver. Time's up. So the correct answer is heart. Maximum did correct. 1% did wrong. So the ninth question is, the walls of the ventricles are relatively dash that atrial wall. So the options are thinner, thicker, smoother. Time's up. Time's up. So the correct answer is thicker. Let's move on to the next. So the tenth question is, deoxygenated blood from heart to lungs is applied to pulmonary artery. Second option, pulmonary vein. Third option, aorta. Time's up. So the correct answer is pulmonary artery. Let's move on to the next. The blood in veins always flows towards. So the options are body parts, heart, lungs. Time's up. So the correct answer is heart. Move on to the next. So the 12th question is, the smallest arteries and veins are connected by a very fine blood vessels called. So the options are art- arterioles, veinlets, blood capillaries. Time's up. So the correct answer is blood capillaries. Let's move on to the 13th. Inferior vena cava collects blood from the options are anterior parts of the body, anterior parts, first option, anterior parts of the body, posterior parts of the body, all the body parts. Time. So the correct answer is posterior parts of the body. Let's move on to the next. Uh, so the 14th question is, which blood vessels do not carry any carbon dioxide? So the options are superior vena cava, second option inferior vena cava, third option pulmonary vein. Time's up. So the correct answer is pulmonary vein. Let's move on to the last and final question. The septum that divides the two atria can be named as interatrial septum, second option intraatrial septum, and the last left atrial septum. Time's up. So the correct answer is interatrial septum. So from here we completed the quiz. Let's see the leaderboard. So let's see the top three. Jahanvi Chowdhury, first position with 93%. Second position Abhigna with 93%. Third Meghna with 86%. Sumita with 80%. Anjali with 80%. Shiva with 80%. Sai IAS with 73. Vishnu with 66. Jyoti with Jyoti with 73%. Satyajit with 66%. Dhanu with 60%. Priya with 60. Tulsi with 54. Shrivali with 53. Thanish with 53. Swapna with 40. Shruti 40. Satya 26. Kaushik 20. Mrudula 6. Ishwaran Chandra Sai didn't enter. So here the leaderboard. So here the top three is Dhanu Chaudhary, Abhigna and Meghna. Congratulations. So thank you all. Have a nice day. The quiz has been completed. Thank you.